Hello, everyone. Good day. Thank you for joining and welcome to the webinar. In today's webinar, we'll be looking at how you can extend Zoho CRM Plus with Zoho Creator. Before we get into the session, a couple of points to note. Attendees will be on mute. Please use the Q&A tab on your left-hand side for your questions. Today's session is recorded and all the attendees will receive the recording post the session. We will be running a couple of polls through the session.
Angel,
Please feel free to.
Angel, just share your screen.
Yes. Yeah. Is the screen visible now?
Yes.
Perfect. So once again, thank you everyone for joining. In today's session, we will be looking at how you can extend Zoho CRM Plus with Zoho Creator. So as I was mentioning before beginning the session, a couple of points to note. All the attendees will be on mute. Please use the questions tab for your questions. There's a recording of the session will be shared post the session. And we'll be having a couple of polls that will be run through the session. Please feel free to engage and put in your inputs so that we know how it's going on. All right. So here's a quick look at today's agenda. We'll start with an overview of the powerful capabilities of Zoho CRM Plus. Then we'll introduce Zoho Creator and see how it can complement Zoho CRM Plus. We'll also walk you through a practical use case showing how CRM Plus users like yourself can extend your system with Creator. Our partner will also be joining us throughout the session, who will be sharing their experience, giving you a live product demo as well. All right. So before we dive in, let me quickly run a poll. Please put in your inputs so that we know if you have explored Creator before and you know Creator. Oh, wow. 45% of you say that you have explored the platform. Wonderful. Great. So let's quickly look at what makes CRM Plus a powerful, unified customer experience platform. At its core, Zoho CRM Plus brings all customer-facing functions together. Let it be sales, marketing, and customer service. And it brings it all together at one connected ecosystem. This gives businesses a holistic customer view, where every interaction, touchpoint, and activity is visible in one place. The platform helps teams automate key processes across the customer journey, whether that's nurturing leads, running campaigns, or resolving support tickets, ensuring fast and more consistent experience. Collaboration is also seamless. Teams can easily share files, videos, notes, and chats, making cross-department communication effortless. And with the multi-channel engagement, customers can connect through email, social media, chat, phone, and more, and all managed centrally. Another major strength is unified analytics, which brings together data from sales, marketing, and support to give leaders real insights and help them make informed decisions. CRM Plus is also highly customizable and extendable. So with integrations and flexibility to adapt to different business processes, it is very customizable and extendable. And with the role-based access control, businesses can manage users and clients' profiles securely. So these capabilities make Zoho CRM Plus a strong foundation. And that's exactly where Zoho Creator complements it, by extending this power even further with custom applications and workflows. Let's dive into building custom applications with Zoho Creator. But before that, What is Zoho Creator? Zoho Creator is Zoho's AI-powered custom application development platform. It enables businesses, regardless of their technical backgrounds, to build applications tailored to their processes. Whether you want to digitize workflows, automate tasks, or build an entire new tool, Creator gives you the flexibility to do it, and that too quickly. Why low-code application development, or what is AI-powered application development? So we're going to see this through the next couple of slides. Whenever you're dealing with large amount of data, scaling your processes, or needing faster development cycles, low-code becomes the ideal choice. It empowers business users to build applications without needing deep programming knowledge. You can easily integrate your creator apps with your existing CRM, databases, legacy systems, or third-party tools. Low-code also helps you build applications with strong security, compliance, and audit features. And because it supports quick iteration, even for complex updates, you can continuously improve processes with minimal efforts. Overall, it reduces manual errors, improves accountability, and accelerates digital transformation. So here's a quick look at how AI works within Zoho Creator. So you can simply give a prompt, upload a file, or even share a process diagram, and Creator can generate an application for you. You can further customize it through code suggestions, form generation, and field recommendation. For end users, Creator supports powerful AI capabilities like agentic automation, custom AI models, OCR, and object detection, making your application smarter and effective. So I'll quickly and show how the AI generation of application looks. So this is just a brief of how you can give a prompt and build your application through the Zoho Creator platform. As you can see, you can give a prompt, the use case is generated, application components are set, and use a permission with blueprint and workflow are created. And all of this is done with the help of Zia, Zoho's own LLM. And here it is showing how the application looks. The application created will also have its own sample data that you can customize further, as well as add your own blueprints and workflows. I strongly encourage you all to try this out and experience how quickly you can build a functional application. So what can you build through Creator? Pretty much anything, from internal tools to self-service portals to large-scale core systems. You can also extend your existing Zoho applications or third-party systems. I'll quickly give an overview of each of these categories. So internal tools are applications used within your organization by your employees, all right? So examples include compliance applications, asset tracking, employee self-service tools, etc. Portals allow you to give secure access to external stakeholders. You can build portals for customers, vendors, partners, each with their own login and permissions to view or update relevant information. Creator also supports building large mission-critical systems such as core business management system, CRMs, or HRM solutions, all tailored to your businesses. You can also extend your existing software, whether it's Zoho applications or any third-party tools or legacy systems. Examples like building an visitor management, invoice generation, or any workflow that needs to sync with your existing tech stack. And one of the biggest advantage of Creator is that once you build an application for web, the mobile and tablet version are generated without extra development. Now let's look into the core components that make app building possible in Creator. Forms help you capture data. Reports help you view and analyze the data. Workflows automate processes, reminders, approvals, and integrations. Pages help you create dashboards and visualization. Portals allow external access for stakeholders. Integrations connect your apps with Zoho and third-party systems. Analytics lets you create dashboards without writing code, and user profiles let you manage access and permissions. These components are powered by functionalities. You can use extensive workflows to automate any business processes. You can have stakeholder-centric portals with customers, vendors, or your own employees. You can build data drill downs or shareable dashboards with Zoho Analytics inbuilt as well as pages. You can provide multi-level approvals for audits or for other accesses. You can build applications that are agnostic for any industry as well as operational use case. All of this is possible with no-code integrations, AI modelers, and more. Together, these make Creator a full-fledged platform with digitizing processes. What you see here are few organizations across the world that use Creator to build their business applications. So without any further ado, I would like to hand over the session to our partner, Siddharth from ValueScore, to take you through their experience and to showcase that what they have built to seamlessly integrate with Zoho CRM Plus and Creator. Over to you, Siddharth.
Thank you, Angel. Let me know when everyone can see my screen now. Is it visible? Yes. Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, Siddharth.
Okay. So, Angel, thank you very much for having me to do this presentation. I hope I can do as good a job as you've been doing. You've been very specific of how Zoho Creator CRM works. However, I'm going to just take you through some of the experiences. I might not be as good as how you explain how it works, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through who I am, what my company is, our experience with Zoho Creator. So very quickly, I am Siddharth Dalal. I run 3 companies. My first company is an ERP implementation company, so I implement ERP applications like SAP, Epicor, Ramco systems, specifically in supply chain manufacturing verticals. Then I have a custom development company where we do a complete custom development for various applications. And then in 2018, we started this third company called ValueScore. 2018 was 3 customers. We were trying to play around with Zoho. 2019, we got about 20 customers and the likes of Hotstar, now Geo Hotstar. So we've taken the whole journey from Hotstar to Disney to GeoStar to Eternia, which is part of a Hindalco group company, Z5. So some very large customers. And then from 2020 to now, we've crossed about 350 customers. It's been a humongous journey. And let me tell you, Creator has been one of our best products to go with. I call Creator as a joker in the pack. Wherever we want some development, which is either complex or I want to fulfill something that the customer needs, Zoho Creator is my go-to place. We are about 100 people now on Zoho alone, and it's been an amazing journey. So as I said, our experience lies in the full Zoho suite. We do a lot of custom development just using Zoho Creators. We have SMEs in various domains. So like today, we are going to talk about the entire dealer management system for specifically automobile industry. We do custom ERP again on Zoho Creator and use Zoho Books as an accounting application. And then we've built a lot of AI use cases now on Zoho, which we're going to discuss later, maybe not today. Besides that, so here is what we do. We cater to about 28 different industries, right from manufacturing to trading, media, professional services, real estate, facility management. Some of our marquee customers is, as I said, we were talking about Hotstar, where we've used Zoho CRM and Creator, Godrej, where we've used Zoho CRM, Zoho Creator, we've used Zoho Desk, Birla Pivot, where we've used Zoho CRM and Creator and all the other Zoho products, Birla Opus, where we've actually done Zoho Creator and we've automated their entire vendor payment systems. So every vendor could straight away just put in their bill and the entire payments get automated. Then we've done Network 18. Network 18 is again Zoho Creator CRM. CG Power is where we've done a dealer management system. We've done Lakshmi Organics, where we've done Zoho CRM, where we've done Zoho Creator, which is for building the entire new product development. Then after that, any budgeting for new capex investment happens in Zoho Creator again. This gets integrated with SAP. In fact, most of these accounts, finally, the endpoint might be also SAP integration. So we've done enterprise-wide implementations. I'm going to take you through one of a very large implementation today and look at how Zoho CRM can leverage Zoho Creator and give a complete end-to-end amazing customer experience. I'm not going to name the customer, but it's a tractor manufacturer, one of the largest tractor manufacturers in India. They are based out of they're one of the largest tractor manufacturers in India, and it is recognized and it's working in about 150 countries. So they use Zoho CRM centrally for all their sales team, and they use Zoho Creator for all their distributors across 150 countries in 4 different languages. And I'm going to take you through this use case. Basically, what we who are using it is right from all the dealers, distributors, the customer side teams, lead management, sales incentive calculation, services company, the whole OEM leadership, top management for analytics, even in fact one spare which is not there in stock at the dealer end. The top management can have visibility of that. So that's the degree of transparency that is built into the entire ecosystem and wouldn't have been possible without the combination of Zoho CRM and Zoho Creator. Essentially, we've done 5 different things. We've got the whole stock synchronization, right from SAP to CRM to Creator. We've done time consuming. We've reduced the whole time of tracking all steps of where the particular tractor is. Warranty process has become seamless. In 5 minutes, people can just push in their warranty. And as I said, every system, every information is available right end to end, right? We've provided like one-click retail. So on one click, I can actually do an entire sales. I can do a stock update. I can have absolute real visibility of every information. And this is truly a digital platform, right? A single interface which everybody is using and available for me to play around, right? So this is what we do. Here is how the flow works. Okay, you have SAP. From SAP, the tractor gets manufactured and comes into Zoho CRM. From Zoho CRM, it gets through Zoho Creator to all the distributors. The distributor has complete visibility of the tractor, and then they sell this tractor to the end customer, right? So that's how this works. Then there is they also have all the leads and deals which are coming in from here, where I can see Zoho socials, where we have integrated all the leads which come to Zoho CRM, and then that is passed into Creator through Creator to all the distributors. And then there is analytics, dashboards, reporting. And the other side then is all warranty management, complaint management, all of that. So every warranty of a tractor is tracked. I can order for a spare, I can complain for warranty, that entire piece is available here for me to see it, right? So that's something which is already there. What we have achieved is we've reduced the timeline. So 100% the adoption has been crazy. Everybody can see across. Everybody is using it because the entire system works on that ecosystem, right? So I'll get to the demo straight away, how this application works. And if you have any questions in between, please do just put it up. I will answer it at the end of the session, right? So yeah, let me know when you can see my screen. Uh, yeah. So first, let's go to the portal. This is where the CRM login comes in. When the OEM teams log in, they can see entire visibility of every tractor. What is the sale has been like? What is the warranties like? What are the tractors in stock? Which dealer has what stock? So I can, if I manage a particular location, let's say I manage Belgium, I can actually click Belgium and all information of Belgium will be available for me to see. If I see Australia, so I country wise, I'll be able to see what is the stock available uh, as a salesperson. And this is access control driven. So if I'm managing 5 countries, I'll be able to see only those 5 countries. So that entire information is available. I can see dealer wise what is the stock, which model, and all of this data actually gets synchronized from Zoho Creator. This is not any other place. So this is how the entire dealer network information looks like. Similar dashboard is available for the dealer when he logs in onto Creator. I'll show you that also in a while. First, let's start with sales leads. What these guys do is they do a lot of uh, regional uh, marketing. So all leads across the globe gets centrally coming into Zoho CRM. So you would see all leads coming in. It'll start with an open status, then it will get assigned. So they either have an auto assignment rule, or then manually people can just select and assign these particular opportunities. That is possible. So once this gets assigned, when the dealer logs in, this is the dealer login. He will be able to log in. Once he logs in, he can log in from a mobile phone, from a web tab or a tab, a mobile tab, whatever he feels like. And the first thing he sees is all the leads that are coming to him. And not only that, he can actually change status of these leads. Whatever status they have changed here will automatically get updated here. So if there is a lead which is under discussion, that is because they have said this lead is under discussion. So I can actually just edit this lead, go back. I will see all information about the lead as a dealer, and I can select which model it is belong to, and I can change the status. Either I can open it under or whatever. I can actually duplicate or convert. The moment I convert, it will become a sales. So that's how I can convert my deals, my leads. Sorry. So that is my first lead module. So that entire lead module is available. Then comes the sales. What happens is when I'm a dealer, I can actually then when the material is shipped from SAP, it goes to CRM, and from CRM, it actually comes here. And I, as a dealer, can see all the material that has come to me. Now, this material is either there or this material is in stock. So, as a dealer, I can see which is the material I have in stock. Now, if I want to just click here and click to update sales. I can do a sales from here, or I can just click here and I can update my sales. So I can say, okay, here is my model. I can say whether it's a GDPR policy compliance or not. So that my emails and WhatsApp and all of these can be automated. I can write customer details, date, everything, submit. And the moment I submit, it will move from in stock, it will move into delivery. So that's how I will be able to do my sales from here. And what will happen is the same way. Here, I will be able to see all the material will be changing status from in stock to delivered. So I, as a OEM, also gets visibility if the secondary sale has now happened. And if for some reason the dealer cannot make that entry. I at the back end also can make the same entry. So if you see, this entire same entry is available here, and it can be done in multiple languages. Customer name, all of the same information is available here. So in case he doesn't have network, he's busy, there is something which is going on at the dealer and he wants this information to be done, they will be able to do it here. So that's how I can actually do the entire dealer's management system here as well. Besides that, now so material is, we've got leads, we've been able to sell. The next is of course warranties, right? So in case there is a problem in the material, in one of the tractors, so I can straight away as a dealer log into my portal. I can just type in whether this tractor is in either stock, or whether I delivered it to one of the customer and the customer is asking for a warranty. In stock is when material was when the tractor was in transit, because they do exports across the globe. There might be a problem where in transit the tractor has got some problem. So let's assume that this is a tractor which was delivered to an end customer. He'll ask me, I can select whether it was the tractor or whether some attachment to the tractor was there. I'm assuming this is a tractor. And if that is there, then it'll straight away, if it's a tractor, I can actually create all my chases, because if you know, every stock that with serial number has moved from CRM to Creator. Automatically every chassis number is automatically populated that I have sold as a dealer across, which is under warranty. So I don't have to really be confused whether it's under warranty or not. All of the material which is under warranty, and it shows me status as delivered. Of course, if there is what we are, if we all we need to ask the end customer is, tell me what is your chassis number. So I can just click here and I can just type in the chassis number and I will be able to search for it. If not that, then there is warranty status. I can put a lot of things like these, search it, select a particular item, and when I select it, any of the particular item, every information about that particular tractor is available, including the customer mobile number, which model number, what is the name of the customer, when it was delivered, what is the warranty status, whether chassis was delivered or not, every information. And this is a dealer reference number. So if a dealer has a reference, if he's maintaining some logbook, he can actually put his reference number, or his invoice number could be another number here. So any unique ID that the dealer maintains, he can actually put in here. Next, he can now say what has happened in this warranty. So I can actually select what was the failure date, when did it fail, how many, because it's a tractor, it needs to be how many hours it is run, because less than there is a rule that below 1 lakh, above 1 lakh hours, it will not be counted in warranty and things like that. Any other information that I want to add, repair date, whether I did a repair or not. It'll ask me whether we've already done a repair or not. If we've done a repair, we just add it because it's under warranty. If there are any parts that we have changed, so here is the part selection. Now the beauty about the part is also identifies whether it was the culprit or it was a consequential part. So it's a culprit part. I assume I can add one more part, which was a consequential part. So this was a part which, because of the culprit, it got spoiled. So I have to change that as well. This is all automatically be populated. Imagine the dealer did not have to do anything. He just had to select the part that he changed, and that also with a drop down. I can click on the next button, and I can actually now add labor cost. So if I want to add any labor cost, I can just add my labor cost. Now labor cost also, for which model I have selected, my operations are also mapped. Every operation is mapped. How many hours I can charge for each of these operations is there. What is the value of it is already there. I can just keep adding that. If then any consumables we've added. So I can add consumables if we've used some filters, some oil, something like that. So I can put my consumables, and this is an open text. So I can say I've used some oil, sorry, and quantity was 10, let's say unit price was 100 euros. So it will automatically calculate that value. If I have to create any images, I say if I want, because it's also mobile driven, I want to take images of this material, I can click and I can select, and I can select whatever material I want to select. I can not do to make that transaction, but I can attach all of this. What is the complaint the customer spoke about? Any actions that I had taken, any prerequisites, pre things that I have done, I can actually do that. Or I can save it, submit it, or I can save this as a draft. So I can actually view it for later. So if some information is not available, my work will not, I don't have to start from zero. This is all, I'll be able to see all my drafts here. Now, the moment I enter this warranty claim, what happens on my CRM on real time basis? I will receive all my warranties here. Can you see I've received all my warranties here? And the moment I click, so as a end you as a OEM, I can see all my warranties. The moment I click on any of these warranties, I will get whether I want to approve this warranty, I want to reject this warranty, or I want to request for more information. And every information that we filled in. So what was the part that we selected, whether it was a culprit or not, what was the labor that they have added, whether there was any other consumables that we added, all the images that are there, all of this gets added here. If I have, either I can approve this, I can reject this, or if I want some more information, I can say how come no consume were used. Now the moment I save this actually becomes a straightaway transaction. Do you see an email is just popped up? An automatic email has gone to the dealer, and it is asking me that how come no consumables, please answer this question. And this is where we've used the AI tool by CRM, where this is done. I can actually view the whole email as well. So this is how to and fro the entire communication happened between the dealer and the and our OEM, and that entire information is recorded. So there is absolute transparency. Yeah, so that's my warranty. Next is deep warranties. These are when vehicles are actually in on road and there is a issue there. So let's say a tractor is working on road and something is happening, it requires urgent actionables. So that entire urgent actionable is also done here. In the same way, you will find how we find warranty claims. In the same way, you will find this claims also being here and the same status. And the moment I click any of these details, it will be available for me to see all the changes, all of that attached videos, all of this information will be available here for me to see. So that's how I can actually see all my complaints. In the same way, I can also put my complaint form here. Number of hours, same thing, number of hours at work, failures, same, whether it was, and it was not, it is not under warranty. So I can select it is not under warranty here now. So I can select all of that, and that moves into this piece. And this is where the charges will become different. All of that will start kicking it, right? Yeah. So that's how my entire fine thing comes in. Now you'd wonder where all the costs came in. So this is where the master update happens. From all the labor costs is updated in CRM, and at central CRM it is updated, and this is viewed by all the 200 odd dealers across in various different languages. So this is all auto languages change. They can see it in different languages. So if I want to see it in French, I'll be able to do the whole pieces in French. So now if you see, everything has changed to French, right? Let me give me a second. I'll have to change it to English again. Yeah, and then there is this entire, one second. I think in French they are all different places. Huh? Anyway, so that entirely is available for me to see. Then there are these videos available where I can actually, this is my entire vehicles codes which are available, I can see those. So that entire pieces are there. Besides that, then comes the next piece. We have also created in the CRM an entire order. So when the dealer wants to place an order, he can actually select. So there is a e-commerce kind of portal that we've built in, where there are multiple. He can select which model he wants to buy as a dealer. So I can just select from the models that are there. I say I want to buy this model. I want to buy what color. So I say I want to buy the black color. I want to have various information, and that I can add to cart. I will have these carts added, so I can add multiple models, and then I can do my purchase from here as well. Besides that, now we are creating a new age dashboard 2.2 as well, where we are improving the entire dashboard. Then now spare management is coming in, where this is now entire spare management. So I can actually order in spare. What is the spare like? And this now gets automatically reduced from SAP. If it is there, it goes into CRM, I can see it. And then from CRM, it moves into the vendor side. The vendor can see, I can actually request for a spare from here. If there is a product complaint, I can actually take the complaint, put the complaint type, what is the type like. So if it's an engine related issue or whatever, so I'll be able to see all the complaints that have come in. That is available. Parts I can, so sorry, parts I saw all the complaints, I can various see it. I can make these complaints better, or I can answer these complaints and things like that. Then any discounts that I've given. So there are discount types. If you see, there are some special discounts, season discounts that are there. So Christmas is coming in. I want to give some seasonal discounts and then reclaim it. That entire claim management is available here. So I can actually see all the various claims that I have claimed, whether they have been approved, rejected by OEMs. That entire information is available as a dealer. I can do a spare. Now, spare, what is the status of the order? So if the spare was ordered for the customer and I want to see the delivery status, actually this is done in an entire map. I can see which material is ordered where. I can see that part is ordered in which areas. I have a map view to this. That entire piece is available then. If there is marketing expenses that I'm doing, so I can actually click here, select what type of marketing expense I'm doing. So I'm doing an advertisement expense, or I've put a display board. So I can see all my marketing expenses that are there. Are they submitted, approved, rejected? Who has claimed it from my team? That entire information is available. Secondary level sale, all payments to that is also now moving in. If there are partial payments on large deals that are coming in, that's available here. So yeah, all of this is available. I'll be more than happy to answer this question, and I can go on and on because I'm really passionate about what's possible. But yeah, so this is where I'll go back to my presentation. I'll take you through how this is worked in. These are some of the dashboards in case you have missed it. So I've just taken some screenshots so we can see it. This is how the inventory looks like for the dealers when he logs in, and he can see all his material, what is in stock available to him. This is a kind of a catalog. If you go down here, you'll see some material which is not in stock, and he can order it, right? So he can show it to his end customer also. What is the kind of price? All of that is available, right? He can see all the stocks which are delivered in stock in detail. That because that information was not available in depth, I've just put a screenshot. This is where the warranty status is available, and this is the labor cost. This is how the dashboard, when the creator, when the dealer logs in, looks like for him. So yeah, this is how it looks like, right? So honestly, my experience with Zoho Creator has been amazing. We've been doing a lot of work, and we've been creating multiple applications, which is very largely used. And the adoption here we've always seen is very, very high, for the simple reason that it is always co-created with the end customer, right? What they are looking for. So that automatically the adoption becomes very high. The only question I guess people need to ask is, because it's a no-code, low-code application, would you want to do it yourself, or would you want someone like us to come in and help you and build an application which is going to be completely end-to-end visibility wise, and either improves customer experience, improves efficiency operationally, or just enhances visibility for you. Yeah, I think that's all it from my end. Thank you very much. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions here. So please do let me know. I can take it from here. Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Thank you for your time. Siddharth was joined by, along with him, we had Arjit and Yash from his team. Thank you so much for joining. And along with me, I had Surekha from the Zoho Creator end. Thank you, Surekha, for joining. Thank you, everyone else, the audience. Thank you for being such a lovely audience and making this a wonderful session. Once again, please feel free to reach out to us for any queries or assistance. We would be happy and we would love to assist further. Take care and have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.